Welcome dear students, I am Mr. Abhijit. Welcome to my channel Chemistry Learners. In this session, we are going to see important MCQs on water chemistry. This is second part. If you have not gone through first part, then please click on this I button. We'll see the first question. Scale and sludge are bad conductors of heat. The statement is true or false. Yes, it is true because they are precipitate formed in the inner wall of the boiler, which are responsible for boiler troubles. Second question. Priming and foaming are interrelated to each other. The statement is true because foaming is the formation of foam or bubbles that is responsible for priming. So priming is nothing but the wet steam. Question number 3. Boiler water should be free from, the options are given: A. Turbidity, B. Oil, C. Dissolved gases, D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above because if boiler water contains these types of matters, then they are responsible for boiler troubles. Next question. The formation of stable bubbles on the surface of water is called as foaming. The given statement is true because this is the definition of foaming. Next question. Caustic soda is, the options are given: NaOH, B. Na2CO3, C. NaCl, D. NaHCO3. The correct answer is A. NaOH. This is sodium hydroxide and the common name of sodium hydroxide is caustic soda. Question number 6. Ion exchange method removes. Options are given: A. All cations only, B. All anions only, C. Both cations and anions, and D. H plus and OH minus ions. The correct answer is C. Both cations and anions because this method removes all types of cations and anions and gives deionized water, or it is also called as demineralized water. Next question. Anion exchange resins replace. Options are given: A. OH minus, B. Cl minus, C. H plus, D. Na plus. The correct answer is B. Cl minus because anions are negatively charged ions which are replaced by anion exchange resins. Next question. RH or RH2 symbol used in the ion exchange method is, the options are given: A. Alcohol, B. Cation exchange resin, C. Alkyl group, and D. Anion exchange resin. The correct answer is RH, that is cation exchange resin, because H plus ions are present in cation exchange resin. Therefore, it is denoted by symbol RH. Next question. Anion exchanger resins are regenerated by. In ion exchange process, anion exchanger resins are regenerated by. The options are given here: A. Acid, B. Base, C. Salt, and D. Phenol. The correct answer is B. Base because anions are negatively charged ions which are replaced or regenerated by OH minus ions present in the base. Therefore, base like AOH or sodium hydroxide is used for regeneration of anion exchange resins. Question number 10. The water purified by ion exchange process is free from. The options are given: A. Salts, B. Cations, C. Anions, D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above, because ion exchange process removed all of the above salts, cations and anions present in water. Next question. Temporary hardness is also called as, the options are given: A. Non-carbonate hardness, B. Bicarbonate hardness, C. Non-bicarbonate hardness, and D. Carbonate hardness. The correct answer is carbonate hardness, because temporary hardness is due to presence of calcium or magnesium ions and their carbonates. Next question. Permanent hardness is also called as, options are given: non-carbonate hardness, B. Bicarbonate hardness, C. Non-bicarbonate hardness, and D. Carbonate hardness. The correct answer is non-carbonate hardness, because permanent hardness is due to presence of sulfates, chlorides, or sometimes nitrates are also there, of calcium and magnesium ions. Question number 13. Calcium carbonate is used in the calculation of hardness because the options are given: A. It is most soluble salt that can be precipitated in water treatment. B. It contains all required molecules. C. Its molecular weight is 50. D. It is easily available. The correct answer is, it is most soluble salt that can be precipitated in water treatment. Also, calcium carbonate is most commonly observed salt in the hard water. Next question. Which of the following does not cause any hardness in water? Options are given: A. Calcium chloride, B. Calcium carbonate, C. Sodium chloride, D. Magnesium chloride. The correct answer is C. Sodium chloride, because sodium chloride is common salt. Last question. What is the conversion factor for equivalence of calcium carbonate for CaCl2? The options are given: A. 100 by 100, B. 100 by 111, C. 100 by 136, D. 100 by 95. The correct answer is 100 by 111, because the formula of conversion factor is 100 divided by the molecular weight of hardness causing salt. Here the hardness causing salt is calcium chloride and its molecular weight is 111. So in this way we have seen important MCQs on water. So with this we conclude here. So thank you. For more such videos, please subscribe to the channel Chemistry Learners. Thank you.